Hello, and welcome to this part of the webinar focusing on entrepreneurial skills. Specifically, the topic we will cover today is entrepreneurial mindset. Together, we will learn what an entrepreneurial mindset is, some important entrepreneurial concepts, the core ideas and principles of entrepreneurship. We will go through a few examples of entrepreneurial tools used for business planning, and we will close this webinar with some external factors influencing business success. The entrepreneurial mindset topic is designed to teach you the knowledge, skills, and values necessary to build an innovative and responsible approach to entrepreneurship, which will be tailored to deaf vet students. It is grounded in real-life challenges, opportunities, creating value, and developing simple business plans. You will be encouraged to brainstorm, design, and present eco-friendly business ideas while cultivating productivity, flexibility, and social responsibility. This holistic approach to entrepreneurship supports the green transition and promotes inclusive educational practices. So, what is an entrepreneurial mindset? It is a way of thinking and of acting that allows you to take initiative, to recognize opportunities, and to solve problems creatively, aiming to generate value for society. It can combine knowledge, skills, and attitudes, not only for your business, but for everyday life and for work. The entrepreneurial mindset involves an ethical responsibility, taking into account today's challenges such as climate change and the need for sustainable life. You can find more information if you watch this video. Here you can see some core entrepreneurial concepts. Firstly, opportunity recognition. Through this process, you can identify and exploit ideas and that can generate economic value and explore ways to make you grow these ideas. The second concept is innovation. You can create and apply new ideas, new products, or new processes that can add value, and you can provide a competitive advantage based on the customer needs or, for example, some environmental challenges. Resilience and adaptability has to do with how you overcome challenges and how you adapt to the changing conditions of everyday life. Resource mobilization, it's the capacity to locate and secure the essential resources for your business. This can include funding, people, networks, or physical assets. Ethics and sustainability. These have to do with decision-making that can support long-term business success and drive your motivation. Strategic thinking is the ability to analyze complex situations and anticipate future trends. You can set your long-term goals and take actions to achieve sustainable competitive advantage. In order to navigate through the challenges of launching and developing a business or a new idea, you can use entrepreneurial tools. These tools can provide structure as they offer a clear framework for organizing your ideas. They can reduce the risk through the use of market research and financial analysis. They can support decision-making by applying data-driven tools, and you can identify the best strategies. They encourage innovation by using methods such as design thinking, and they can promote creativity and continuous improvement, and they can improve the efficiency by allowing the correct allocation and effective use of resources. We will go through these such tools, as you can see here. The first one is the business model canvas. This is a strategic and visual framework, and it can support you by mapping out all core elements of your business. It can support you by simplifying complex ideas and make better planning. It enhances accessibility for deaf learners visually, and it allows pairing with sign language or sign annotation tools. It fosters collaboration through brainstorming and co-creation. It covers strategic, operational, and financial aspects, and it allows the users to understand the interconnectivity of different business concepts. It includes 9 building blocks, where you can see them here. In each block, you will be asked to answer some simple questions, and by the end, you will be able to visualize your idea more plainly. The second tool is the SWOT analysis. This is a strategic planning tool where you can identify 4 key aspects of your business: its strengths, its weaknesses, its opportunities, and its threats. It can provide a structured way to think about your business idea. It encourages critical thinking before taking any actions. It helps in strategic planning and setting your priorities, and it is useful for both new ventures and existing projects. So for each key aspect of the analysis, again, you will be asked to answer questions, and through this, you will be able to make better planning for your business. Lastly, design thinking process is a human-centered and creative approach to problem solving. This tool promotes innovation by addressing real-world challenges. It stimulates collaboration and inclusivity. It supports the design of sustainable solutions with community participation. It is highly visual and interactive, which makes it accessible for deaf learners. And it allows the use of sign language and drawing during brainstorming. It involves 5 key stages. The first one, empathize, which includes understanding the problem, the users, the needs, and the challenges. Then it can define the problem. It can brainstorm and generate new possible ideas. It then creates a simple model of potential solutions. It tests these prototypes, and it refines the prototype based on feedback. Here you can see the design thinking process and what it looks like. Now, what are entrepreneurial environments? They are external conditions and contexts that influence how business starts, how business grows, and how it succeeds. Some entrepreneurial environments include market environments. This includes customers, competitors, suppliers. Institutional environments include law, regulations, policies, or government support. Social environments, which includes the cultural networks, community attitudes, and social norms. And technological environments include all digital tools, new technologies, new or available platforms. Sustainability and ecological environment include all the global challenges, for example, climate change, resource scarcity, or social inequality. Here you can find some important references that might help you. In conclusion, in this topic we learned about the entrepreneurial mindset, some core ideas and principles of entrepreneurship. We gave you a few examples of entrepreneurial tools and how you can use them for planning your business. And we explained what entrepreneurial environments are, and we gave you some external factors influencing business success. Thank you for watching this webinar.